Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. The Wisynco Group, which was recently listed on the stock exchange, today released results for the second quarter ended December 31, showing increased profits. Net profit for the quarter amounted to $578 million over the $470 million achieved in the corresponding period of the previous year. Now that's an increase of over 23%. Revenues for the quarter of $6.14 billion represented an increase of 14.5% over the $5.36 billion achieved in the corresponding period of the previous year. Motorists will enjoy lower prices when they fill up at the pumps tomorrow. 87 and 90 Eaton gasoline will decline by 54 cents per litre to sell for $123.35 and $126.19 respectively. Automotive diesel oil will decrease by $1.56 to sell for $122.97, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will also decline by $1.26 to sell for $127.81. Kerosene will cost $1.52 less to sell for $105.55 per litre. LPG propane will increase by 26 cents to sell for $45.02. However, LPG butane will decline by 15 cents to sell for $48.59. Oil prices fell to a one-month low today after U.S. data showed a build in inventories and record high crude production. This raised concerns for more selling that could expose speculatory that with big bets on upward momentum in crude prices. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude fell $1.60 to settle at $61.79 a barrel. This is the lowest settlement price since January 5. Foreign currency trading ended with the U.S. dollar selling for $125.89. The Canadian currency is going for $99.49. The pound sterling is costing $175.34, while the euro is going for $156.25. In today's trading session, the JSE index declined by 639 points to close at 286,272. The junior market index declined by 41 points to close at 2,926. Shares making gains today included Jamaica Producers, Dolphin Cove, Caribbean Cream, Main Event Entertainment, Kingston Wharves, and Station Office and Supplies. Losing stocks included Sterling Investments, Barita Investments, Access Financial Services, Lasco Distributors, and Knutsford Express. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.